Good morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class. Okay, today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is measurement. Okay, so without wasting time, I would like to demonstrate few of the teach measurement with the help of the objects, children. Okay, let us begin. Now, see, this is a mathematics class. Okay, we are going to learn the measurement. Now, I have taken two pens and they are of equal lengths. ठीक है, they are of equal length. ठीक है, now see, now I will take the pieces of crayons and I want to measure this pen. So what I'll do, I'll keep like this. What is the measurement, what is the length of the pen? So what I'll do, I have taken the pieces of crayons. Now see, look carefully. Now I don't know the measurement. Okay, I have taken the pieces of crayons. Now, how many pieces of crayons will give you the length of the pen? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces. Okay. Now, I'll take full length of crayon and let me see how many total crayons I will need for the measurement exactly about. Okay, this and just little bit of this. So exactly 2 full length of crayon will measure the pen. Okay, now this 2 and little bit of half of the crayon, 2, 1, 2, little bit of half of the crayon is giving the measurement of this length and this. Okay, so it become difficult कि exactly what is the measurement of the pen. Okay, so that is why now, for example, I want to measure this with the help of ruler or with the help of a scissor, you can say pencil. I'll take it up. Okay, I'll take the pencil. I'll take a pencil. Okay, let me see. 1. Okay, then 1 more. 1.5. So again, you cannot tell me the accurate measurement of the pen. 1.5 pencil. Suppose if they tell, come on, tell me the crayon. Oh, one will do with the crayon. You will say, okay, 2.5 crayon. The other will say, no, 5 pieces of crayon. So what happens is that, children, we are not getting the exact measurement of the pen. So what we have to do is that we have to use the standard unit. What we have to do? We have to use the standard unit. You know what is standard unit? First let me write. This is called standard unit. Okay? Standard unit of measurement. Okay? Now that is called as centimeter and meter. You know what is cent? This is a short form of centimeter. C means centi and M means meter. Okay, this is called centimeter. Okay, centimeter. And what is this? This is meter. So every time you don't have to write centimeter this way. For centimeter you have to write cm and for meter you have to write m. I think you must have heard these words in your life, or maybe you must have heard when mama papa is talking about some measurement and all that. So meter, centimeter you must have heard. Now please remember, we are going to use a centimeter for measuring the small objects. We will use centimeter for smaller objects. The means the object of the small length. They are having a small length, smaller objects. Okay, and for meter we will be using for measuring the big. You know, we are like for example car, door, the things we are having the larger length. Okay, we are going to have measured that with a larger length, and these are all fixed. They are all fixed, the small and the longer length, and they are the fixed length. Okay, you will get the exact measurement when you will be using this. Now let me show you let me show you that this is a ruler. Okay, we can measure this with a ruler. You know how long you must have, you are using the ruler, है ना? So this is of 15 centimeter of length. This is exactly 15 centimeter. Okay, then if I'll show you now, first I'll begin with this. See, you take your finger. ठीक है, just I'll give you an idea. Okay, now suppose if you look at your finger, so the length from this, the tip of the finger, from here till here, from here till here, you know how much is this? This is 1 centimeter. See, you'll get an idea. यहाँ से यहाँ तक बेटा, from here to here, ये आपका 1 centimeter होता है. Let me take you one more finger. From here to here, this is 1 centimeter. Okay, when I take, I'll see, if you have seen the needle is exactly 2 centimeter. See, ठीक है, this is exactly 2 about 2 centi. You cannot say exactly, it's about 2 centimeter. The ruler I am showing you now. The see children, this is the tape, this is a tape. Okay, this is again in centimeter. Now let me show you, it's go, let me come to, this is a meter measurement. आपने देखा होगा इसको, है ना, this length. Okay, हाँ, look here. Now let me show you centimeter. 1 minute, हाँ बेटा. Now that is, where is 100? Let me show you 100. See till here 100. Can you see here? 100 centimeter. कितना हुआ ये? 100. This is exactly 152 centimeter. But I'm talking about 100 centimeter. Where is it? Here it is. You know, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. ठीक है, सो देखो 1 मीटर कितना लंबा होता है. सो इसलिए तो हम मीटर यूज़ करते हैं लॉन्गर लेंथ के लिए, एंड सेंटीमीटर यूज़ करेंगे स्मॉलर लेंथ के लिए. ओके बेटा, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, now when I say centimeter means I had show you for the pen. Now you can take all the object which is present in your home, the smaller objects, and you can use the small pens, or you use the pencil, small pencil, and you measure. ठीक है, for example you can take the ruler, you take small crayon and try to measure this smaller objects. Okay children, and or else you can do one thing, this measurement of ruler we will be teaching you later on beta, length and all. So I'll begin with the diagram. I'll just figure, like for centimeter so you have understood, for the smaller things we have to use for the centimeter. Like for example, you want to measure your remote. Okay, so you can use the pencil, you can use the crayon, you can use the small pens for the measurement. Try to do this beta, you will really enjoy this. Different objects you take and you do it. Okay, like now we'll talk about the meter. Meter means see what I'm drawing, yes, car is big, है ना? For measuring the car we are going to use meter. For example, this is a door or a wall. I'll make a door. Okay, now you have to measure the door, this. Okay, suppose you are measuring this way. Okay, ये बेटा height हो जाता है. You know what is height? When you are measuring from top to bottom, तो ये हो जाता है आपका height. When you are measuring from left to right or right to left, ये आपका हो जाता है length. Okay, and this is your height and this is your length. Okay, but ऐसा measure किया तो length होता है, and if you measure this way in a standing way, that is called as height. For example, tree, है ना, tree is very big, है ना, again you will be measuring in meters. So all the larger objects, आपका जो दीवार है, wall है जो घर का, car है, door है, हाँ, द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग हो गया बेटा. हाँ, द हाइट ऑफ योर्स, आपका खुद का हाइट. ठीक है, तो ये सब क्या होगा बेटा, दिस विल बी नॉट डिपेंड्स द हाइट ऑफ योर मामा, हाइट ऑफ योर पापा, है ना. एंड देन chair and all, big chairs. So all these things, the big objects with the things with the living things, or the things with non-living things with the लॉन्ग लेंथ, जिनका लंबा लंबा हाइट होता है, बहुत ऊंचा ऊंचा होता है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मीटर. That is called as a meter. Now through exercise we are going to study and learn. Now children, now see here. Now this boy is standing this way. You also stand, come on, like this. Both your arms out like this, boy. Okay. Now from here, from this arm, from this tip to this tip, from this tip to this tip, ये मतलब कितना हुआ? This is about 1 meter. यहाँ से यहाँ देखो कितना बड़ा है लेंथ, है ना. Now you play, the boys play with the bat. आपका बैट भी अप्रोक्सीमेट, इट इज नॉट अप्रोक्सीमेट, इट इज अबाउट 1 meter of length, है ना बड़ा. नाउ व्हेन आई शो यू द डोर, हाइट किया मेजरमेंट आपने, इट इज और दिस वे लेंथ, इट इज अबाउट 2 meter, अबाउट 2 meter. हैव यू सीन द crocodile? Crocodile 3 meter. Yes. Okay, now you can measure the mobile also. Can you tell me what about the mobile? Mobile will be in centimeter or meter? Just guess and do it. Okay, now let us study these objects. Okay beta, now this is a book. This is a book. This I am showing you from the page number 149 of your maths book. Okay, now the thickness of the book, ये कितना मोटा बुक है. यहाँ से व्हाइट कलर का पोर्शन आप देखेंगे तो ये सेंटीमीटर ओके होगा कि मीटर होगा? यस, छोटा सा है ना, सो दिस विल बी सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ द हाइट ऑफ योर चेयर, द हाइट of your chair, can you tell me about the height of the chair beta, from here to here? Yes, can you tell me? Any guesses? Oh, I can't hear you. How can I? Yes, it will be in, again, yes, it depends, the small chair or the chair of a larger length and all height, it depends. It can be a centimeter, it can be a meter, but I think hope it can be approximately, I think must be 1 meter beta. छोटे छोटे चेयर्स भी रहते हैं बच्चों के, स्मॉल स्मॉल चेयर, दैट विल बी इन सेंटीमीटर. ओके, डिपेंड्स कि हाइट, चेयर का हाइट कैसा है बेटा. जितना ऊंचा रहेगा वो मीटर की तरफ जाएगा, और छोटे छोटे चेयर्स जो आते हैं दैट विल बी इन सेंटीमीटर. नाउ व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द लेंथ ऑफ द कार, यस आई नो, हाँ इट्स मीटर. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ व्हेन आई से द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, हाइट बताया था टॉप टू बॉटम, द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. Yes, can you tell me any guesses? Yes, it will be a meter. Okay, the fort, again meter. Can you tell me about, he is a small monkey, and the tail? Can you tell me about the tail? Yes, now it depends upon the size of the tail. If a small monkey, it can be a centimeter, and the monkey is bigger with a long tail, it will be in meter. Okay, now the toothbrush. Every day you brush your teeth. Yes, I know. Now it is a length of shorter length, na? So centimeter. Okay, the lace of your shoes, this also in centimeter beta. It is in centimeter. So try to do this exercise at home. Smaller object centimeter, and the longer the object with a longer length, we will be using the meter. Okay, thank you. Please do it, try to practice, and you take small objects, try to measure it, that will be in centimeter. बड़े बड़े जो है आपका वॉल है, देन आपका बिग चेयर्स हो गया बेटा, बड़े बड़े, दैट विल बी ऑल इन मीटर्स बेटा. आपका डोर हो गया, हाइट ऑफ द डोर. हाँ, द आपका हाइट मेजर करके देखना आप, योर हाइट ऑफ योर मम्मा एंड पापा, ट्राई टू डू दैट एंड फाइंड आउट, एंड द लेंथ ऑफ द वॉल ऑल्सो. Thank you children. That's all for today.